Good morning, students. Lesson number 13, The Adventures of Gulliver. In last video, we learned up to Gulliver was taken to the city where the king lived. A great cart was made by joining many carts. 900 men worked for 3 hours to put Gulliver onto the cart, which was drawn by 1500 of the king's finest horses. The city was just half a mile away, but journey took almost a full day. Now we are on the point Gulliver's new home. The king came out to meet me. He came near and looked at me, but it was not thought safe for him to climb up on me. At the place where the cart stopped, there was an old church. It was the largest building in the whole country. For certain reasons, it had not been used as a church for many years. It has now been made ready for me to use as my house. The great door on the north was 4 feet high and 2 feet wide. So I could go into it by going down on my hand. One of my feet was set in a great ring on the end of many strong strings, so that I could not get away, but could only walk some distance outside my door. The country outside looked like a garden. After some days, the king and his people were convinced that I would not harm them. So, after I agreed to keep certain orders of the king, I was allowed to move around. Next part, Gulliver visits the city and the queen. As soon as I was set free, I asked if I might see the city. The king was pleased to let me do this. Orders were given to all the peoples to remain in their houses. I then stepped over the wall and went very carefully along the two largest streets. All the windows were full of faces looking out at me, and large numbers of people were standing on the top of the houses. The king's house was just at the place where two great streets met. There was a beautiful garden on all sides of it. Lying down in the garden, I put my eye to the windows. The rooms inside were very beautiful. In one room, I saw the queen and some of the young princes. They were greatly my pleased by my visit. In first passage, Gulliver explains about his new home. He told that an old church that was unused from long days or years before that was made ready for him, and it was very difficult to enter in that house. Then he explained about the city, told that this city looks very nice, and when he started to visit or when he went out to see the city, that time lot of peoples orders were given to the peoples to remain there in their houses for safety. And then when Gulliver stepped over the wall, he went very carefully along the two largest streets. At that time, he saw that all the windows were full of faces looking out at him, and lot of people were standing on the tops of the houses. He explained about the king's house was just at the place where two great streets meet. There was very beautiful gardens on the sides of it, and lying down in the garden, Gulliver put his eye to the windows, and at that time he saw the rooms inside were very beautiful. In one room, I saw the queen. Gulliver saw the queen and some of the young princes also, and they were greatly pleased, means became happy by visit Gulliver. In this way, our this interesting story is finished. I think you understand the story very well.